Well, a reverse mortgage can be a great way to fund your retirement or help with some well-needed repairs around your home. And when considering a reverse mortgage, Silverleaf Mortgage has the experts that you can trust. They're also Colorado's #1 reverse mortgage broker. And with more on the benefits of reverse mortgage is Silverleaf Senior Vice President and Reverse Mortgage Specialist, Jacquie Muni. Thank you so much for being here, Jacquie.
Jackie, thanks for having me here.
You're welcome. And for the benefit of viewers who don't know what a reverse mortgage is, can you explain that a little bit?
Yes, a reverse mortgage is a safe, government-insured product that allows senior homeowners to tap into some of their housing wealth and put it to work for them. So if they currently have a mortgage, it will be paid off, and there may be tax-free cash available at closing, a line of credit that's guaranteed to grow and compound annually, a monthly income stream, or a combination of these options. And even if folks don't have a mortgage, they own their home free and clear, a reverse mortgage is a huge advantage in funding retirement.
Sounds like a lot of benefits to that. And so then what are the qualifications in order to get a reverse mortgage?
Well, it's really simple. At least one borrower has to be 62 or over. The home must be their primary residence and have about 40 to 60% equity, depending on the age of the youngest borrower. The credit and income requirements are very easy. Most people qualify with just their Social Security income, and even poor credit is often not a problem.
Sure. Now, are there some myths around reverse mortgage?
There are.
Okay.
Many people think if they do a reverse mortgage that the bank owns their home, and that's just not true. The folks are the only ones who own their home. They also think that maybe debt is passed on to the heirs. Again, not true. It's a non-recourse loan, and the heirs can sell the home and keep the rest of the equity, or maybe they'll keep the home if they pay off the reverse mortgage. And you know, it used to be people thought that a reverse mortgage was the loan of last resort, but not anymore. Many well-off homeowners are using a reverse mortgage to leverage their housing wealth in their strategic plan for funding longevity in retirement.
Well, that really makes sense. And so can you go back over again why people would do a reverse mortgage and what would be a good scenario for them?
Yes, well, often people do it to eliminate their mortgage payment. You know, if you're on a fixed income and you still have a mortgage payment, it can feel like it's strangling you. But the reverse mortgage eliminates that payment. Now, everyone still has to pay property taxes and insurance, but even folks who own their home free and clear, tapping into that housing wealth can really help in retirement.
Sure. Now, Jacquie, I've been hearing a lot about these low interest rates for home buyers, which is great, especially this time of year. But do those low mortgage rates translate into a reverse mortgage plan?
They do. When interest rates are low, the folks can access more of their money. So now is the time to look into a reverse mortgage to maximize the benefits.
Okay, we're talking with Jacquie Muni from Silverleaf Mortgage. The number is 720-458-4036. Learning a lot about reverse mortgages. Let's talk about Silverleaf Mortgage and really what sets them apart from others in the industry.
Well, unlike national lenders, we do house calls. We want to be sure that we do business face-to-face the old-fashioned way and that everybody understands the program. But even more, we do a free in-home pre-appraisal inspection, because if there are repairs or deferred maintenance that need to be done, we want to take care of that right up front. And so the folks can really maximize the value of the property, and we provide extraordinary customer service.
Sounds like it. And I want to talk a little bit about home repairs in just a few minutes, but I want to hear from very happy clients about how a reverse mortgage changed their lives. Take a look.
I was recently widowed, and I needed to find a way that I could stay in my condo because my income had been lessened, and Silverleaf was able to help me do that by offering me a reverse mortgage. I've been able to actually feel like I can live again and go to the grocery store without looking at my checkbook to see if I have money.
It's nice to not have to worry about, okay, payday's coming, we got to do this, this, and this. And now with Silverleaf, we don't have that problem. It's like, okay, the bills come in, we can pay them right now. We don't have to wait a minute. We've got money in the bank in case we have an emergency. We've got money to do basically what we'd like to do. And that empowerment is fantastic when we had the problems we had. And I mean, Silverleaf Mortgage and Jacquie have just basically, they changed our life.
Isn't that incredible? And what a terrific testimonial. It can really be life-changing.
It really can, and personal testimonies are so powerful. I'm so glad that we were able to help Bev and Helen, Mark. You know, hundreds of other Coloradans with our exclusive home repair program.
Yeah, and again, hold on to that thought. I want to talk about that in a second. If you've been thinking about a reverse mortgage, you can get a free in-home assessment only offered by Silverleaf Mortgage. You want to call today. The number is 720-458-4036, or you can simply visit silverleafmortgage.com online. Now, you were talking about that exclusive home repair program. Let's hear more.
Absolutely. You know, for the last 4 years, Silverleaf staff, family, friends, volunteers, and local contractors have been giving their time and money to help seniors repair their homes when the seniors were unable to do so. And now we've partnered with the Forever Home Foundation, who offer they offer low and no interest rate loans and grants to seniors for home repairs.
No kidding.
So because of this exclusive relationship, we can offer clients up to $15,000 in home repairs. No other lender, national or local, is going to help a senior with home repairs. But you know, Jackie, refurbishing the home is just critical to bringing it up to market conditions so the folks can get the highest possible appraised value and therefore access the most of their housing wealth that's available to them. And people who work with other lenders who are not doing that often get a low appraised value. They don't maximize the money from the reverse mortgage, and oftentimes they're turned down because their home just doesn't meet the standards.
What a great program in order to build those homes up to bring them up to standard to be able to sell them at the top.
Well, we're not selling, but we are refinancing.
Refinancing at the top, my apologies. Yeah, really terrific program. Well, thanks for sharing that. And how can folks find more information about Silverleaf?
Well, they can give us a call at the number on the screen, 720-458-4036, or visit us at silverleafmortgage.com. But you know, it's a no pressure, no obligation phone call, and we just love to hear their stories and be able to see if a reverse mortgage is something that might benefit them.
Great information today. Kathy Muni from Silverleaf Mortgage, thank you so much.
Thank you, Jackie.
You're very welcome. A reverse mortgage may be the right option for you, and if you'd like more information and a free in-home assessment only offered by Silverleaf Mortgage, give them a call, 720-458-4036. Call them today or visit silverleafmortgage.com. They are the #1 reverse mortgage broker in Colorado, and with an A+ rating by the BBB, you can really trust them. Again, 720-458-4036 today or visit silverleafmortgage.com. They paid for their segment on today's show.